All right, so I think the locals left this thing called an energy drink. Let's take a sip.
Oh, I'm gonna crash out.
I don't know what was in that, but I can't freaking sleep. Oh, might as well get morning's grub ready. I'm tweaking.
Boys, I'm cooking another massive trout.
Boys, I'm cooked. I'm out of Zins and I'm about to crash hard. If I don't make it, give this trout to Fred. He needs it.
Boys, she's landed. We're eating like kings tonight.
All right, boys, trout's done. Fire roasted, wilderness style. Might be burnt, we'll find out.
Nah, that's gas.
All right, let's get the heck back to the crib. I'm tired of this. This is what we do on the Bigfoot Boys channel. We vibe. Man, this place is crazy.